Hi students, welcome to my channel Easy Maths by Uncle. This is the second video on sets from 10th class mathematics. In the first video, I explained introduction of sets, definition of sets and representation of sets. Okay, introduction, definition, representation of sets. This is the second video. In this video, I am going to explain first exercise completely, including do this, try this and think, discuss problems. So I will explain very fastly, then only every part will cover. So try to follow the problems. First do this. List the teeth and all. Incisors, canines, premolars, molars. We have to list this. So sets means we are writing the list form we are telling. So what is the list? We are having one dental form now. For adults, 2, 1, 2, 3. Actually, totally 32 teeth are there. Okay, but this is the dental formula. How we are getting this? See, our teeth totally divided into 4 parts. Upper jaw, right part, left part. Lower jaw also, right part, left part. Just observe upper part, right side. Okay. First 2 incisors, that is 2. Next, immediately one canine teeth is there, that is 1. Next 2 premolars. Finally 3 molars. Okay. So 2, 1, 2, 3 means that one. First 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolars, 3 molars. In biology also you are learning this part. Say multiply this by 4 because totally 4 parts. Right side, left side, down side also, right side, left side. So multiply this by 4. Total incisors 2 4 ja 8. Total canines 1 into 4, 4 canines. Premolars 2 4 ja again 8. Now molars 3 4 ja 12. So totally how many teeth are there? 32. Right? This is the list. Now identify and write the common property. Next do this problem. This one is. Okay. What is the common property in the following? 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 means they are even numbers from natural number. That's the common property. So what we can write here? 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. These are even natural numbers. That is the answer. Okay. I am not writing the answers. Just listen carefully. 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. These are even natural numbers. Okay. Next. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on. See, observe here. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, so on. These are prime numbers. Okay. From 4th class onwards, we are learning about prime numbers also. So, write down prime numbers. What are these? Prime numbers. Now, 1, 4, 9, 16, so on. Just by observing the numbers, you have to get the idea. This 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Okay? Square of natural numbers. What is the common property? Square of natural numbers. Now, January, February, March, April, so on. So, what are these? Months of year. So, what is the set? Months of year. Now, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, pinky. So what are these? Fingers of human being. Okay? Fingers of human being. Right. Students, think and discuss problem. Say as many as generalized statements we have tried this. So in how many ways we can write? We will try. 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Already I told these are even natural numbers. Okay? These are from natural numbers only. Only even numbers. So even natural numbers. Even natural numbers. Okay? That is one type statement. And the way. See, x is such that x equal to 2n. See, multiples of 2 all these are. 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 3s, 2 4s, like that. Okay? What is n here? N belongs to natural number. Right? This is the statement. Here it is list form and here it is what? I told you already, sets are represented in roster form and set builder form. This is the roster form, this is the set builder form. In this way also we can represent. Or you can write the answer multiples of 2. Okay. Now 1, 4, 9, 16. This is the list. What are these? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. So square of natural numbers. What are all these? Square of natural numbers. In this way statement can be written. square of natural numbers. What is the other way? See, set Miller form. X such that x equal to n square. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square. What is n here? N belongs to natural number. Right? So, what is this set? It is square of natural numbers. This list is square of natural numbers. That's why x says that x equal to n square, where n is natural number. Now do these problems again. Write the following sets. Here given just a statement. We will write the sets for this. So sets means only elements we have to write that are separated by commas within braces we have to enclose them. Now set of the first 5 positive integers. See the problem? Set of the first 5 positive integers. Only 5 positive integers. So this is the beginning braces. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Close that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That are first 5 positive integers. Only that much is the set. Now set of multiples of 5 which are more than 100 and less than 125. Now multiples of 5 that are also more than 100 but less than 125. So don't write 100. What is the set? First number 105. 100 after multiple of 5 means that is 105. Next number 110, 115, 120. Next number is 125, but don't write that one because less than 125 is asking. So close this. Now set up the first 5 cubic numbers. What are the first 5 cubic numbers? First cubic number 1 cubed, that is 1. 1 into 1 into 1. Next 2 cubed, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Next 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. 5 into 5 into 5, it is 125. Right? 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. These are first 5 cubic numbers. Next, set up digits in the Ramanujan number. One special number is there, Ramanujan number, that is 1729. So 1, 7, 2, 9. Separated by commas. 1729. You can write 1, 2, 7, 9 like that also. This is one of the special number. Somebody will say this is Hardy Ramanujan number also. Okay, there is one story for that number. Just I will write shortcut. What is 1729? Ramanujan only first identified about this. It is sum of, see, 10 cubed plus 9 cubed. Okay, what is 10 cubed? 10 cubed means 1000 plus 9 cubed. 9 cubed is 729. 729. If you add these two, you will get 1729. In another way also, it told. This is the number. What is that number? 1 cubed plus 12 cubed. 1 cubed plus 12 cubed. 1 cubed is 1 only. 1 cubed is 1 into 1 into 1. That is 1. 12 cubed. 12 into 12 into 12. That is 1728. 1728. So sum of these two also 1729. Like that, one special number. It is not his birthday. Don't get confused. Actually, his birthday is 1887. Okay, in Tamil Nadu state. But 1728, it is Ramanujan number. Remember that one. Right. Students, this is the do this problem. Here given some numbers. Decide the numbers to which number sets they belong to and does not belong to, and express with correct symbols. Okay, whether they belongs to or does not belongs to the sets we are right. You know, belongs to means this is the symbol. Okay, belongs to. Next, this is the symbol of does not belongs to. Right? We have to know numbers list. First one everybody knows about natural number list. Okay, starting from 1, 2, 3 like that. Next, if you include 0, that is whole number list. After that, add negative numbers also, that is integer list, Z or I also. Okay. Next, fractions P by Q form numbers are there in Q. Okay. Next, if numbers are not able to write in P by Q form, they are irrational numbers. We can write I or Q dash also. Okay. Q dash means irrational numbers. Now, all these are said to be real numbers. That's the final one. Rational and irrational numbers are said to be real numbers. See, first one is there. We know one is in natural number list, whole number list, Z, Q, like that. Okay. So, one we can write as belongs to natural number. What will it be? You can write 1 belongs to W, 1 belongs to Z, like that. Now, I am going to write one more does not belongs to. Suppose 1 does not belongs to Q dash. This is the rational number 1. Okay, so 1 does not belongs to q dash. We can write like this. Now 0. You know 0 does not belongs to natural number. Is it or not? It is not there in natural number list. Now 0 belongs to, you can write either W, Z, Q or whatever it may be. I am writing W. Okay. Now 0 belongs to whole number list, but 0 does not belongs to natural number list. Minus 4. This is the negative number. This one belongs to Z. Okay. Z, Q or you can write. Minus 4 does not belongs to natural number list. Minus 4 is not there in natural number list. Now 5 by 6. It is rational number. So 5 by 6 belongs to Q. You can write R also. 5 by 6 is rational number, so belongs to Q. Now I am writing 5 by 6 does not belongs to N. You can write W also. Okay. You can write integer also. Any one set you can mention here. Only one set is enough. Now 1.3 bar. 1.333 we can write in P by Q form this one. So this is the rational number. So this one belongs to a rational number. So belongs to Q. And 1.3 bar, it is not belongs to natural number. Right? You can write natural number or whole number or also integer. Now root 2. So root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, these are irrational numbers. So this one belongs to Q dash. Or you can write belongs to a real number. But root 2 does not belongs to natural number list. I am writing 1. You can write does not belongs to W also. Now log 2. Now log 2 also belongs to, I am writing a real number. In real number list log 2 is there. But log 2, it is not there in natural number list. Does not belongs to natural number or whole number you can write. Now 0.03. This one also we can write in P by Q form. Okay, this is in decimal form. Now this also belongs to rational number. But 0.03 does not belongs to natural number. I am writing natural number. You can write whole number also. Now pi. Remember this, pi is always irrational number. So pi belongs to Q dash. Now pi does not belongs to, I am writing here whole number list. It is not there in whole number list. This one is imaginary number. Root of minus 4. So this one also I am writing belongs to real number. In real number every number is there. Now root of minus 4, it is not there in natural number list. Okay, you can write anyone does not belongs to natural number. Or root of minus 4 does not belongs to W. Or root of minus 4 does not belongs to Q. Okay, like that you can write anyone here. Okay. Now one more to this problem we will solve. See here, list the elements of the following sets. List the elements. G, that is the set. All the factors of 20. We have to list all the factors of 20. See, 20 is the number. In how many ways we can write in tables? 1 into 20. Every number is multiplied by 2. Okay, 1 is factor of every number and the number itself is also factor. 1 into 20. Now in 2 table, 2 into 10 times it is going. Now 4 table, 4 5 and 20. So write all these and also these numbers. That are the factors. So what are the factors? Factors of 20 starting from 1. 1, 2, 4. Next 5, 10, 20. Right? These are the factors of 20. Now F is the set. Multiples of 4 between 17 and 61 which are divisible by 7. So numbers between 17 and 61 only we have tried. That are multiples of 4 and also divisible by 7. Divisible by 7 means nothing but multiples of 7 also. Okay. See, the numbers which are divisible by 2 and 3 they are also divisible by 6. Right. In that way here also multiples of 4 and multiples of 7 means they are the numbers multiples of 4, 7 and 28. So directly we will check a 28 table in this. Okay. First number is what? 28 ones 28. Okay. 28 twos 56. Only these two numbers will get between 17 and 61. So 28 multiple of 4 and divisible by 7 it is. 56 also multiple of 4 and divisible by 7. So how we are getting? 4 into 7. 4 8 ja 28. So 28 table you can write directly here. Now P, that's the set. X is such that X is a whole number between 3.5 and 6.7. So between these two we have to write the whole numbers. So what are those numbers? 3.5 after we are getting 4. Next 5. Next 6. Only that much. Okay. 4, 5, 6 are the whole numbers lying between 3.5 and 6.7. Now write the following sets in a roster form. Right. B is the set of all months in a year having 30 days. So only we have to write the months having 30 days. See, if you hold your fist like this, the upper part, whatever the months are lying, they are having 31 days. Downside, they are having 30 days generally, but first one, leave it. Because in February we are having 29 days for leap year and other months 28 days generally. Okay. So January 31 days, February, March 31 days, next April. So we will write here months starting from April having 30 days. Okay. April after May 31 days. June again 30 days. June after July, August, both are 31 days. September, once again, September, having 30 days. September after October. November, again, November. Next, December, 31 days. So, observe here, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Like that, easily you can identify the months with 30 days. Okay, those months lying upside, they are having 31 days. Now, P is the set of all prime numbers smaller than 10. Here only we can write smaller than 10 prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, what are the numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the numbers having exactly 2 factors. Okay, the number itself and also 1. Only those are the 2 factors for the prime numbers. Now, X is the set of colors of the rainbow. What is rainbow? See, we are having 7 colors. That is Vibgyon. Okay, Vibgyon. These colors we have to write as a set. So we will write V. V means violet. Now I is for indigo. B, it is blue. G for green. Y means yellow. O for orange. Now R is for red color. So these are the 7 colors in Vibgyon, right? Students, now exercise first problem, first problem. See which of the following are sets, justify your answer. What is the first problem here? The collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J is asking whether this is set or not. If it is not set, we have to justify the answer. Why it is not set? See, collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. January, February, March, April, in those months, starting with J means what you are having? See, January, starting with J, that letter J, first one. Okay. Now, June, here also J is there, starting letter. Next, July. Okay. These are the months we are having starting with J, right? So, it is a set. Is asking the collection of all the months of the year beginning with the letter J, whether it is set or not. Simply you write the answer set. What is the answer? Set. Now, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. In the first video also I explained. Who is going to decide whether the writer is talented writer or not? Everybody having their own opinion. Okay. So, these are not fixed persons. So, what we can write here? It is not set. Collection of 10 most talented writers of India, it is not set. Because, what is the reason we have to write? Most talented writers cannot decide by any persons. It is not possible to identify the talented writers. You have to write simply that meaning. Right, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. This one also, same thing. Who is best cricket batsman of the world? Throughout world, we can't decide who is the best cricket batsman. So this one also not set. And reason you are right, no one can decide whether a person is best cricket batsman or not. It is highly impossible to select the best cricket batsman of the world. That is the reason. Now the collection of all boys in your class. In your classroom, you know total boys. So easily you can identify. So that's why this is the set. You can write their names also. Okay. Now the collection of all even integers. All even integers. Even numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. We can write integers even list. Even negative even integers also. -2, -4, -6. Positive 2, 4, 6, 8. All we can write. So this is also set. So collection of even integers is also set. See, this is very easy problem. If A having elements 0, 2, 4, 6, okay, A is the set 0, 2, 4, 6 elements. Now B is the set with 3, 5, 7 elements. Now C is the set with P, Q, R elements, right? Now use belongs to or does not belongs to in the brackets. See, 0, what about set A? 0 is the element, this is the set. In the set A, is 0 in that? Yes, 0 is there. So write down simply belongs to. 0 is there in the set A. So 0 belongs to A. Now what is the second one? 3 in set C. Such there. Set C, PQR. 3 is not there. So does not belongs to. Right? 4 in B. Here 3, 5, 7. 4 is not there. So does not belongs to B. Now 8 in set A. Such here. 0, 2, 4, 6. 8 is not there. So does not belongs to. Now P in set C. Here PQR. Yes, P is there. Belongs to. P belongs to set C. Now 7 in B. Here 7 is there. So 7 belongs to B. Right? Completed. See the third problem. Express the following statements using symbols. What is the symbols? The element X does not belong to A. That is the statement here. The element X does not belong to A. So simply we can write X does not belong to A. Like this symbolically we can write. X does not belong to A. That means what? X is not the element of A. Now, D is an element of the set B. In set B, D is there. So simply we can write D belongs to B. D belongs to set B. See, always left hand side we have to write elements with the small letters. Right hand side we have to use set name with the capitals. Okay. Now 1 belongs to the set of natural numbers. Natural number list 1, 2, 3, 4 so on numbers are there. So 1 belongs to that set. We can write simply 1 belongs to natural number. Now 8 does not belong to the set of prime numbers. Prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 like that. 8 is not there. So 8 does not belong to prime number list. Right? Simply we can write symbolically in that way. Now state whether the statements are true or false. If it is false, we have to justify that answer. See, 5 does not belong to set of prime numbers. He has given 5 does not belong to set of prime numbers. What are prime numbers? We know 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 so on. 5 is there. Means 5 belongs to set of prime numbers. What he has given? Does not belongs to. So write down here it is false. Why it is false? Reason we are right. Because 5 is prime number. That is the reason. 5 is prime number. He has written here does not belongs to. He is not there. Means that is false. 5 is there in prime number list. Right? Now, yes. 5, 6, 7 are the elements. 8 belongs to yes. Read S once again. 5, 6, 7. 8 is not there. But here he mentioned 8 belongs to yes. It is false. Okay? This one is false. Why it is false? We have to write the reason. Because 8 is not the element of set S. 8 is not the element of set S. 8 does not. It is not existing in set S. Like that also you can write. 8 element 8. It is not existing in set 8. Okay. Minus 5 does not belongs to W. Where W is the set of whole numbers. What are whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Okay. Negative numbers are not there. Minus 5 does not belongs to W. He has given right. Okay. Minus 5 is not there in whole number list. He has given. Write down simply. This one is true. So no need to write any justification here. Minus 5 does not belongs to W. He is telling minus 5 is not the element of set whole number list. Right? It is true. Now 8 by 11 belongs to Z, where Z is the set of integers. Integers means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that right side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 4 negative numbers left side. But 8 by 11 it is P by Q form, rational number it is, not integer. He has given 8 by 11 belongs to Z. It is there in integer list, but it is not there. So write down here false. Here we have to write the justification. Why it is false? Because this P by Q form numbers are not there in integer list. Simple, right? See the next one. Write the following sets in roster form. B equal to x such that x is a natural number smaller than 6. X is a natural number smaller than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 natural numbers are there. But less than 6 we are writing. Here only I am writing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Less than 6 we are writing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the answer. Now see, there is the set x such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. 2-digit numbers means 10 onwards. 10, 11, 12, 13, all these are 2 digits up to 99. If you add these 2 digits, you have to get some 8. See, first number 17. Okay, so I am writing 17. 1 plus 7, 8. Next 26. 2 plus 6, 8. Next 35. 3 plus 5, 8. 44. Like that. 53. 62. 71. 80. Only this much. So these are 2-digit numbers. If you add 2 digits, you will get some 8. Next, D is the set. X such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. Which is divisor of 60. Prime number we have tried. So first what are divisors? Divisors means factors. Okay. 1 into 60, 2 into 30, 3 into 20, 4 into 15, 5 into 12, 6 into 10. All these are factors of 60. In that we have to select prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5. Okay, only these. So 2, 3, 5. These are prime numbers. Others are composite numbers. Don't write the numbers. Now E is the set. X such that x is an alphabet in beta. So see that B E T T E R. From that we have to select the letters. What is the first letter? B. Next E. Next T. Once again T. Don't write, repeat. Okay, again E is there. R. B E T R. Okay, simply 4 letters are there. That is the set. Now write the sets in the set builder form. This Roman we are writing set builder form. First one 3, 6, 9, 12. These are numbers. What are these numbers? 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 4 ja. We can write like this. X such that x equal to 3n. What is n here? N belongs to from natural number list. And also n less than or equal to 4. See? 3 4 ja 12. Up to that one we are taking. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 4 ja. Okay? Now 2 4 8 16 32. 2 to the power of 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 5. So this one we can write like this. X such that x equal to 2 to the power of n. What is n? From natural number list. So up to which number? N less than or equal to 5 we are taking. Up to 5 including 5. Okay? Now 5, 25, 125, 625. 5 to the 1, 5 square, this 5 cube, 5 to the 4. So same thing. Here we have written the same procedure. X such that x equal to this is 5 5 5 like that. So 5 to the power of n. What is n? Belongs to natural number. N less than or equal to. Here 1 2 3 4 5. So n less than or equal to 5. Now here 1 2 3 4. Only 4 numbers. So including 4 up to 4 we are taking. Now right. 1 4 9 16 25 up to 100 we are taking. What are these numbers? Squares of natural numbers. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square like that up to 10 square. So here also we can write x such that x equal to n square. What is n? Natural number list. Up to which number? Less than or equal to 10 we are taking. Okay? So you can write in different way also. Squares of natural numbers. X equal to squares of natural number. Up to 10. Otherwise less than 11. Like that you can write in different ways also. Right. We'll see next problem. Students, this video it is taking so much time. Here try this problem is there, match the following, and from exercise this is the 8th Roman. That's why 7th Roman directly I am explaining from textbook. See, write the following sets in roster form. A. X such that x is a natural number greater than 50 but smaller than 100. So what are the elements? Greater than 50, less than 100. So 51, don't write 50. 51, 52, 53, 54 up to 99. You write 99, don't write 100. Okay? So less than 100 is asking. 51, 52, 53, dot, 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 so on. Okay? Final number 99 you can write. Next, B is the set. X is an integer, x square equal to 4. X square equal to 4, x equal to root of 4 plus or minus 2 we are getting. He is telling that is integer. So you write both minus 2 plus 2. That is the answer. Minus 2 plus 2. Next, D. X is a letter in the word loyal. L-O-Y-A-L. So what are the letters coming here? L, comma, O, comma, Y, comma, A. Don't repeat L. Okay? L-O-Y-A. Put commas. That's the answer. Right? Now come to this problem. Match the following. Roster form to set builder form. Here P-R-I-N-C-A-L. If you observe here, principal. X is a letter of the word principal. From this he has taken this. Okay? P-R-I-N-C-A-L. Because it is not necessary to repeat. P-R-I-N-C-I. It is repeated. P repeated. Okay? A and L. So this we have to join with D. Okay? Now only 0 is there. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 is there. 3 minus 3. Now read here. X says that x is a positive integer and is divisor of 18. Divisor of 18 or factors of 18. 1 into 18. 2 9 ja, 3 6 ja, like that. Okay? From that only positive integer we have to take means write down 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 only. Okay? 1 into 18, 2 into 9, 3 into 6, 18. So what is this one? First one, A. Right? Next, x says that x is an integer and x square minus 9 equal to 0. So integer means positive and negative we can take. X square minus 9 equal to 0, x square equal to 9, x equal to root of 9. Root of 9 means plus or minus 3. Integer means both numbers we have to take. Here plus 3, minus 3. So this one is joined with B. Now here x says that x is an integer and x plus 1 equal to 1. Here trial and error method. We know x is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, or transposing method, x plus 1 equal to 1, x equal to 1 minus 1 it is, so 0, x is 0, where it is? Here. So join this with C, right, like that we can join. Now here match the following one more from textbook. See 1, 2, 3, 6, here 2, 3, here M-A-T-H-E-S-S, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, M-A-T-H-E-S-S, here you see. X says that x is a letter of the word mathematics. From mathematics you have selected one time only. Okay? So this we can write with the D, we can join this one. Okay? Now see, x says that x is a prime number and divisor of 6. Prime number and divisor of 6. 2, 3, these two prime numbers and also divisor of 6. 2, 3. Right? Now x says that x is an odd natural number smaller than 10. Odd numbers but less than 10. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd natural numbers and also less than 10. So this will go to B. Okay. Now x says that x is a natural number and divisor of 6. Here x is a prime number and divisor of 6. In this case x is a natural number and divisor of 6. So all these numbers will come. 1 into 6, 2 into 3. So this one we have to join with C. Right? Like that we can do match the following, right? So I have explained each and every problem so that it has taken nearly half an hour time, right? Thank you.